Alright guys, so I'm going to show you how to reset the maintenance required light on a 2008 or similar Toyota vehicles. I did another video with a 2003 Toyota Corolla. I wasn't happy with the quality, so I'm making this one. So your maintenance required light, the one right there next to the airbag light, required light, if that one's on, to reset this light, of course after you do an oil change, you want to make sure you're on your odometer, not your trip A, trip B. You want to make sure you're on your odometer. You're going to push this knob over here. So it's a little hard to do with two hands, but I'm going to make this work. Make sure you're on your odometer. I'm going to turn the key off, and I'm going to set the camera here so you guys can see. So I'm pushing and holding that knob I told you guys about, and I got the mileage there. So I'm going to turn the key to the on position. Once those dashes disappear, it'll say zeros. You reset your maintenance required light. This time my light was not on, but that's how you reset the maintenance required light. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and leave a comment for a suggestion of some kind of video you guys like to watch. Thanks for taking your time to watch this video. Thank you.